You can get tips about how to pass AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF-C02 exam from this video. 1. A company is considering a migration from on-premises to the AWS cloud. The company's IT team needs to offload support of the workload. What should the IT team do to accomplish this goal? A. Use AWS managed services to provision, run, and support the company infrastructure. B. Build hardware refreshes into the operational calendar to ensure availability. C. Use Amazon Elastic Container Service, Amazon ECS, on Amazon EC2 instances. D. Over-provision compute capacity for seasonal events and traffic spikes to prevent downtime. Answer: A. 2. According to the AWS Shared Responsibility Model, which activities are the customer's responsibility for security in the AWS cloud? Select 2. A. Hardware maintenance. B. Amazon EC2 operating system patching. C. API access control for AWS resources. D. Configuration management of infrastructure devices. E. Maintenance of an availability zone. Answer: B, C. 3. Which actions is the responsibility of AWS according to the AWS Shared Responsibility Model? Select 2. A. Securing the virtualization layer. B. Patching the operating system on Amazon EC2 instances. C. Enforcing a strict password policy for IAM users. D. Patching the operating system on Amazon RDS instances. E. Configuring security groups and network ACLs. Answer: A, D. 4. Which task can a user complete by using AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM? A. Validate JSON syntax from an application configuration file. B. Analyze logs from an Amazon API gateway call. C. Filter traffic to or from an Amazon EC2 instance. D. Grant permissions to applications that run on Amazon EC2 instances. Answer: D. 5. Which component of the AWS global infrastructure does Amazon CloudFront use to speed up the delivery of content to users across the world? A. Amazon VPC. B. Edge location. C. Local zone. D. AWS Outposts connection. Answer: B. 6. How does the AWS global infrastructure offer high availability and fault tolerance low its users? A. The AWS infrastructure is made up of multiple AWS regions within various availability zones located in areas that have low flood risk and are interconnected with low latency networks and redundant power supplies. B. The AWS infrastructure consists of subnets containing various availability zones with multiple data centers located in the same geographic location. AWS allows users to choose AWS regions and data centers so that users can select the closest data centers in different regions. D. The AWS infrastructure consists of isolated AWS regions with independent availability zones that are connected with low latency networking and redundant power supplies. Answer: D. 7. Which of the following are AWS compute services? Select 2. A. Amazon Lightsail, B. AWS Systems Manager, C. AWS CloudFormation, D. AWS Batch, E. Amazon Inspector. Answer: A, D. 8. A company is running a Microsoft SQL Server instance on premises and is migrating its application to AWS. The company lacks the resources needed to refactor the application, but management wants to reduce operational overhead as part of the migration. Which database service would most effectively support these requirements? A. Amazon DynamoDB, B. Amazon Redshift, C. Microsoft SQL Server on Amazon EC2, D. Amazon RDS for SQL Server. Answer: D. 9. A company is running multiple workloads in the AWS cloud and recently began investigating ways to reduce costs. The company is already running fault-tolerant workloads on Amazon EC2 that perform periodic checkpoints in case of an outage. Which AWS service or pricing model can provide the greatest cost savings? A. Capacity reservations, B. Amazon Lightsail, C. Spot instances, D. Dedicated hosts. Answer: A. 10. Which AWS service should a cloud practitioner use to identify security vulnerabilities of an AWS account? A. AWS Secrets Manager, B. Amazon Cognito, C. Amazon Macie, D. AWS Trusted Advisor. Answer: D.